Have you ever noticed how some people instantly become likable the moment they walk into a room? It's not magic, it's psychology. Psychology shows that certain subtle behaviors can quickly trigger positive reactions. Let's look at 3 triggers you can use today. First, genuine smiles. A natural smile signals warmth and approachability, acting as a primal sign of safety and trust. It's a cue that your brain's mirror neurons pick up on, creating an immediate sense of comfort before you even speak. Second, showing real interest. Asking thoughtful questions and listening carefully makes people feel deeply valued. Research shows that being a good listener actually makes you the more interesting person in the room. People love to be heard. Third, subtle mirroring. We naturally feel more comfortable around those who match our tone, posture, or speaking style. This chameleon effect signals that you are one of them, breaking down social barriers and building rapport instantly. These triggers work because we are wired to trust people who feel familiar. Mastering them is a skill that will change your social life. If you enjoyed these insights, like, share, and subscribe to Apex Psychology for more powerful behavior hacks. Apex Psychology by Saurabh Purohit. Thanks for watching.